are you guys? Like, I have not uploaded since the last 2 weeks, and I just hope that you have not forgotten me. I hope. I'm not at all, that important person, but if you still remember me, then yeah, obviously, like, I'm really grateful. Anyways, let's start today's video. Well, I have no idea like what to do for today because I just got my period. It's my first day and I am having like such bad cramps. So I thought, why not I make a video, because my mind will be distracted. So let's start the video. Although I don't have any idea like what to do on this video, but let's start the video by, I don't know, we'll figure it out together. Okay, so the thing is, just now I have opened my front camera and I just saw how, क्या तुम लोगों को भी मुझे देखकर ये लग रहा है कि मैंने 2-3 दिन से बिल्कुल भी नहीं नहाया है? मुझे लग रहा है like I saw my face, like am I going to record this whole video with this face? Will I put that video on internet looking like this? Obviously no. So yeah, let's start this video doing my makeup first. So you guys are not interested in makeup, I know. The thing is, I am also not interested in today. Achanak se I feel like I need to look presentable in front of the camera because I had 94 subscribers and suddenly now I have 93 subscribers right now. Someone just unsubscribed me and now I am feeling really sad. So I thought that I should look more presentable in my videos so that people won't unsubscribe me. Anyways, now almost पहले से तो अच्छी लग रही हूँ, like okay, but now let's do something with my face so that I look more beautiful, भगवान ने ऐसी शक्ल नहीं दी है, but we'll figure it out. कुछ तो करना पड़ेगा इसका. So yeah, I'll just go and bring my, क्या कहते हैं, yeah, makeup products. इतने हैं तो नहीं, just I'll apply my foundation. I'll just go and bring my makeup products and BRB. Hey, I'm back. Like, yeah, this is the foundation and this is the blush. Wait a minute, I'll just go and bring my mirror because camera पे देख के करना is something really difficult. I have my mirror with me. Well, should I show you the setup behind me? Let's look at this. So basically this is how my setup looks. I have my tripod stand over here, camera over here, and that's the light from where the lighting is coming, and that's it. Now let's blend this with, yeah, I can do this by seeing on this camera. ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं करना है, बस जैसे अपने मुंह पे क्रीम लगाते हो वैसे ही लगा के जाओ. That's what you have to do. Because we don't have our blender right now with us, so this is the only option we have. Plus, I don't know how to apply foundation with a brush, so my fingers were the only option. So yeah, it's done. ऐसा लग रहा है कि मैं पहले से भी गंदी दिख रही हूँ. Like, oh, my teeth are also yellow, I guess. Not because my teeth are dirty, no. I brush 2 times a day, sometimes 3 also. But yeah, we don't have any other thing, so we'll just apply our blush. I also don't know like a proper way. Is there a proper way? I am just putting it ऐसे ही लगा के रखती हूँ. लोग जो मेकअप करते हैं ना, फ्लॉलेस मेकअप, आई एम जस्ट जेलस ऑफ देम बिकॉज आई डोंट नो थिंग अबाउट मेकअप एंड दे कैन मेक ए पर्सन लुक सो ब्यूटिफुल. दिस इज जस्ट ओके. इससे ज़्यादा मैं कुछ नहीं करने वाली बिकॉज माय गॉड, लाइक व्हाट इज दिस? वेल, दिस इज ये पता है यहाँ पे क्यों रखा हुआ है, बिकॉज यू नो हमारे घर पे बहुत ज़्यादा कॉकरोचेस होते हैं, तो इससे जब भी हम कोई कॉकरोच देखते हैं तो वी just beat the cockroaches with this. Like, it's not that easy as it seems to be, because of course the cockroaches run here and there and they are so fast, but sometimes we manage to do that. I think it's done. My makeup is done. I think I'm looking good. Let's see, because बिना चश्मे के ब्लर ही नज़र आता है ज़्यादातर समय. Oh, looking nice. पहले जैसे ही दिख रही हूँ, but yeah, it's a bit more presentable than a few minutes before, obviously. Recently ये wallpaper मैंने this wall पे लगाया है. It was just green before that. अगर मेरे कुछ 1-2 वीडियोस देखोगे, like my previous videos, then you will know how this wall looks before. So मैंने यहाँ पे wallpaper लगा दिया है, and यहाँ पे I have kept this space खाली. पोस्टर्स मैंने ऑलरेडी मंगवा लिए थे, इतने स्काई के पिक्चर्स थे, जस्ट रिटर्न एवरीथिंग. एंड द फैक्ट इज अभी तक उसका रिफंड मुझे नहीं मिला है अमेजोन से. आई डोंट नो इफ आई विल गेट दैट अमाउंट बैक और नॉट. व्हाट शुड आई हैव टू डू टू गेट दैट मनी, बिकॉज अकॉर्डिंग टू द रिफंड स्टेटस रिफंड इज डन, बट आई हैव नॉट गॉट द मनी बैक येट. सो अगेन आई जस्ट ordered some another posters. Basically these are customized ones, came like yesterday. Just go and bring the posters and I'll show you guys once. I haven't yet decided कि मैं किस order पे वो सब place करूँगी. I have to decide that also, but yeah, let's go and bring now. I won't do any more talking.
One eternity later.
I was recording since the last 10 minutes. Like I was explaining each and every picture कि क्या क्या हुआ है, and then I just realized कि मैंने अपना जो वीडियो स्टॉप किया था उसको मैंने कंटिन्यू किया ही नहीं. So I have to re-record everything. I have my eyes. On top of that, I'm wearing these glasses. Still, I haven't seen that I haven't continued. I just spoke for 10 minutes straight and nothing was recorded. Now I have to record everything again. Control. It's all because of you. It's all my fault. So I don't have any right to be angry. Let's start again from the beginning. कितना explanation दे दिया था मैंने इन सब के बारे में. Now I have to repeat the whole process.
Walk out the door, you see someone that you know and they ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
I was telling you these are some of the pictures that I have sent them. Basically there are 21 pictures of A5. This size is A5 and this is A4. So I have 4 posters in A4 size basically. Camera pe it's looking really good. To be honest, it's looking really good. But in real, they don't look that good. So actually 20 मिलने चाहिए थे, but there were few more pictures. So total, as I have said, that there were total of 25 pictures. तो हुआ क्या है कि they thought that I want to maintain a particular theme. मैं कुछ filter apply कर दिया सब पे, which I didn't want them to do. And the thing is, मुझे पता नहीं था वो लोग ऐसा करेंगे. And they also didn't ask me anything. So already print हो गया था, तो I didn't say anything. Plus they were also not charging me for this extra 5 posters, but then again they have given me something for free. Like they didn't charge money for that. And still, like if I go and complain to them like आप लोगों ने ऐसा ऐसा क्यों कर दिया, आप लोगों ने, मैंने तो ये पिक्चर भेजे थे, आप लोग को ऐसा ही करना चाहिए था, आप लोगों ने अपने से क्यों किया, ये सब अगर मैं बोल दूँ, I will feel that I am the bad person who was not satisfied with anything. So मैंने कुछ नहीं कहा. एंड अभी जो हो गया है वो हो गया है. वी कैन नॉट अनडू दैट थिंग. सो जस्ट थॉट कि इट्स ओके, वेल मैनेज, बिकॉज इट्स नॉट अ बिग डील टू बी ऑनेस्ट. यार सभी पिक्चर्स आप लोग को दिखा देती हूँ. दिस इज द पिक्चर ऑफ अ बुक एंड बेसिकली इट्स अ टी कप विथ टी and flowers. I have seen this in so many like wall posters. Meesho पे आते हैं, Flipkart पे आते हैं, Amazon पे आते हैं. This is the design and it's from Pinterest, like everyone knows. Then comes this picture, very aesthetic obviously. Guess who she is? मैं guess करने को क्यों पूछ रही हूँ? Like it's so obvious. Our very own Taylor Swift, and I'm a big fan of her. This picture, this one is a really aesthetic picture. This is the original one and this is what they have like edited and this is what they have made. Then comes another pretty picture. It's written, isn't it just so pretty? Guess what? It's basically from a Taylor Swift song. And it's just so pretty to think all along we want some. And sorry, the lyrics was wrong. All along there was some invisible string tying you to me. Yeah, I'm a bad singer. Then this one, it's written happiness here, and then this is an aesthetic picture of roses. That's it. Now I am totally disappointed with this picture because इसका actual color कुछ और था और आ कुछ और गया. This is the original picture. See, this is the original picture and this is what they made. Like, why is this green everything? Then this is another aesthetic butterfly. Then this one is you are loved. You are seeing this in mirror view. That's why the letters are inverted. This is basically for me, so that even in my hardest days, I get reminded that I am loved by many people. Only this one is one of those pictures जो कि इतना change नहीं हुआ है because it was originally of that color. Then this one also, ये इतना बुरा भी नहीं दिख रहा है, but whole picture was kind of brownish color and they have just made it green, something which I'm not liking. I would say this one is the prettiest one out of this 25. Then the last one is this, a collage of 3 pictures basically. So now let's get to work. फेस पे पता नहीं क्या होके रखा है, मतलब सुबह से लाइक आई एम गेटिंग एलर्जीज. आई डोंट नो व्हाई, द रीज़न बिहाइंड इट कि क्यों एलर्जी हो रहा है, बट सुबह से ये ठीक ही नहीं हो रहा है. लाइक सुबह यहाँ पे हुआ था, देन आई हैड इट हियर एंड अभी यहाँ पे. पता नहीं स्क्रीन पे विजिबल होगा कि नहीं, बट इट्स इचिंग. एनीवेज, लेट्स कंटिन्यू द वीडियो.
So 90% is completed and only 10% is remaining, which I'll not be doing today. And now it's time to sleep. So see you tomorrow.
Hi, so it's the next day and as you can see, it's almost completed. Like there's a little space there and यहाँ पे भी थोड़ा बहुत final touches बाकी है. I have just showed you a small segment in the video, but the whole process was really tiring and today I'm not in the mood to continue any of this. So that's why I won't be extending this video any longer. By the way, if you are still watching, then let me tell you that I am really grateful to have you guys in my life. So yeah, thank you. If I completed finishing this, then I'll just update you in the next video. If not, then probably in the next video. That's it for today's video. See you in the next one. And I love you. Bye bye.